Hello everyone, it's Johnny here at InWin, here at CES 2019, wanting to show you one of our newest case, the 928.
Take the leap.
Dieses Video wird euch vom Asus ZenBook Pro 15 präsentiert.
Unleash your creative power.
Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Now, the 928 is something what we identify as a super tower, and for a good reason. Basically, the reason why we're dubbing it the super tower is because it's designed to house the new Intel form factor motherboard. 14 by 14, so you need accommodable housing there for it. Now, because of the intense hardware that's gonna soon be placed in this thing, you need optimal airflow. So what we decided to do is enhance the airflow by putting a lot of different fan placements, rad placements as well. So technically you could put up to 12 140 millimeter fans inside this enclosure. And to continue with the 900 series, made with that classic brushed hairline finish, of course aluminum with 5 millimeters thick tempered glass panels. So this thing is capable of housing 2 power supplies. Again, you're going to house, powerful components in the future, so you might want to need that extra power. So in addition to that, we also allow for vertical mounting for the GPU. I mean, this thing can actually house quite a bit of hardware, and it gives you plenty of room to work with, including mounting your GPU vertically. But one of the things that we featured in this case is kind of the smaller touches. And for me, you have this kind of cleaner exterior, but you have that kind of touch of addressable RGB that you can find in the front with the addressable RGB logo. Looks really nice. And then just kind of that nice little touch where the I/O in front, that's kind of discreet, making it a kind of nicer, cleaner exterior look. Okay, so in that kind of discrete I/O, we also accommodate one 3.1 Type-C Gen 2 port, along with 2 3.0 ports and HD audio. One thing I also wanted to point out is the water cooling solution. We have 2 pumps going right here. You can accommodate up on the top or on the front panel here. And since you have plenty of room to work with, you can have more creativity with your water cooling setup. So different loops, and the possibilities are potentially endless. So you can expect the 928 to hit the market potentially in Q2. We're still kind of waiting on certain parts to become available as well. So we're looking at this case becoming about $899 in price range.